struggle. Wow, my hair's messed up. We're in Canada, but we're here for a wedding, which is really exciting. We brought the Switch. It's back at the house, but we'll be playing that hopefully tonight. I did get Mario Maker, so I'm super excited to try out your guys' levels, but we have a ton of work to do when we come back home too. Oh, he's editing all the pictures. Oh, that's so pretty. What are you? How are you doing this?
I don't wanna waste time. I remember tonight I found something here with you.
Jay, look.
Running by the roadside, wait up for me. I'd go anywhere that you do. Put it all out in the open. No, we don't have to control it. Put it all out in the open. If it's only for a moment, it's a lifetime of emotion. Put it all out in the open.
Yay! Hi guys! I'm here with my friend Joel. Say hi, Joel. We are still in Canada and we are going to head to the wedding very soon. I'm very excited. I got my new dress on, which is awesome. Got it right before we left, which is crazy. And we've been exploring Canada and seen a lot of things. We tried poutine. How was the poutine?
It was good.
Joel, did you like the poutine?
Just pulled pork.
Poutine. Pulled pork. Yep. Pulled pork poutine. And it was awesome. Absolutely loved it. Today, like I said, is the wedding. So we're gonna be there all day, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna do a couple of other things. I don't remember. They told me, but I forgot. I don't think I can film too much of the wedding. The reception, yes, but not the wedding. It's really exciting because Jason's family has been gracious enough to invite me, and I get to see this whole thing unfold, and all the family members are here, and it's really awesome. First time in Canada, and I absolutely love it. Pretty funny. You think so? You think it's funny?
No,
he's like, no, no.
Don't tell me it's time to go. Now that we made this far, wandered to a broken, never look back to the ocean. Still know you'll meet me at home. When we're lost and out of focus and we don't know where the road is, I still know you'll meet me at home.
To get pulled from the back. Poor Jay.
Welcome to Las Vegas. For your continued safety and the safety of those around you, we ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Also, please keep those carry-on bags safely stowed under the seat in front of you, and please do not place any items in the center aisle.
I feel like I'm missing stuff. I know this is completely random, and I'm leaving in 2 hours to go to the headquarters of Nintendo. We're doing a very fun episode of Nintendo Minute with Kit and Krysta. I am so excited. It's been a while since I've been back there, and I miss everyone. I love everyone that works at Nintendo, guys, like every single individual. So kind and generous. Just having to spend time with them is always memorable. I got to see a lot of them at E3. It's gonna be exciting. I can't wait to see everyone. I look terrible. I'm so sorry. Packing right now, 2 hours before my flight. Why do I do this? Why do I do this? I am a little stressed, but for the most part, I am really excited and thankful. Thank you to Nintendo for providing the hotel and travel and this opportunity. And then when I get back, it's EVO weekend, so really busy. EVO, of course, I'll be handing out 500 Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invitations because E3 was so cool. I definitely had to do it for EVO because this is just for fighting games, and this is the perfect place to hand out Super Smash Bros. Ultimate invitations to the community that I love. Tight on time, but yes, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. 2 days before EVO. Christine, what's going on?
our line partners. Thank you for choosing to fly with us tonight. We truly appreciate your business, and we hope you enjoy your flight.
Cannot wait to film with Kit and Krysta tomorrow. Really excited. I look terrible. I've been traveling all day, so this is my travel face. I am really kind of tired. Not really. I did sleep on the plane, so that's why maybe tonight I'll go and get something to eat, and then tomorrow morning we are filming a Nintendo Minute video, show, channel, vlog, Kit and Krysta, and I'm so excited. I'm just watching the sunset because it's so beautiful. You guys have to look at this.
Members.
I am dressed up for EVO. I have a really pretty necklace that I opened in the unboxing video. Thank you so much for sending it to me from my Amazon wish list. I am terrible when it comes to choosing outfits and stuff, and it's really cool that you guys send me these beautiful necklaces to wear. So I am dressed up for EVO. I just got back yesterday from the Nintendo headquarters, so I cannot wait to show you guys what we've been working on. I'm just really excited for you guys to see the content that we've been creating, me and Nintendo and everyone that works at Nintendo. Thank you so much. Huge thank you to Bandai Namco for providing the badges that Jay and I have for this whole weekend of EVO and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate and Dragon Ball Z and Tekken and Street Fighter. Thank you so much. So I do have 500 invitations to hand out. It's just a continuation of me flying to Nintendo headquarters and then attending EVO right after. And I'm just truly lucky and blessed, and yeah, let's just let's just go to EVO. Bye.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Yeah. Look at that.
Her main thing on her channel is what, NintenDIY, it's what it's called.